Hello everyone, this is Abhi and you are watching Decor Neon. Today we are going to show you how to make the infinity mirror neon sign, and we will discuss the difference between infinity mirror neon sign and the regular neon sign. So without further delay, let's begin the show. Number 1. Computer design. As usual, we need to make a design to command the CNC machine. To bring the infinity mirror effect to our neon sign, we must use a specialized mirror board instead of acrylic board. So without further delay, let's engrave the design. Number 2. LED strip installation. Let's install the LED strip, which is one of the key components of our infinity mirror sign. Step 3. Soldering the connection. Let's bring the life to our creation by soldering the connection between the LED lights. Step 4. Neon strip installation. Let's cover up the lights with neon strips to bring the glowing effect. This is the last part of our process. Here comes the most trickiest part of our entire process. We must cover the completed neon sign with another reflective yet transparent board to bring the desired infinity effect. Here is our astonishing never-ending neon sign that is glowing like a star in the sky. Now let's compare the usual neon sign with the never-ending infinity neon sign. Number 1. Material. Infinity neon sign are made on a special mirror board, while usual neon is made on acrylic board. Number 2. Usability. Infinity neon are perfect for more casual environments such as party place, disco, wedding, restaurant, and so on. While the usual neon sign goes well with more calm and formal places such as brand shop, office, living room, and so on. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to hear more from us. See you until next time.